type of video today. Just a bit of a rehouse with a Goliath bird here. It's not mine, it was my dad's. I was around his today and he wanted to rehouse his t.stirmi. So I thought, get the camera out, film it, it'll be interesting because I don't have a Goliath. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Well, not my tarantula, but still it's one of Jagger's tarantulas because it's my dad. But today he's doing a rehouse of his Goliath. This one in here. Just show the size. Can't see it in there. Right, open it up. Don't know how to open these. No. You'll see. And we're doing a preparing. Topsoil. Yeah, that's all the soil. Not fully grown though, is she? So.
No, it's about 15 centimetres.
Just to show you how my dad's collection of tarantulas.
Half the collection.
That's half the collection he's got there. So he's got quite a bit more than me. But he's got a bearded dragon called Dave. And that's my dad's collection of all his tarantulas. Some true spiders as well. But the bluefoot baboon. There's a brown. Field roll spider, that's what I bought him. There won't be a giant salmon pink. Now all poke is at the top. Why is there time to make a video of dogs barking? Not where I am. My house, your house. That's looking a lot better from that to that.
I don't think I need that. I'm going to go with that, but I don't think I need it.
Nah.
Simple is.
Simple out. She's always in a hide all the time anyway. Never comes out. Right.
Or should destroy it.
Probably. Tarantulas, they always like to destroy plants. They have a vendetta against plants.
And they can grow up and along that.
See, I'm really filming this because I don't have a Goliath, so I thought it was cool, interesting to film a Goliath transfer. Real. And his Goliath isn't really small, it's decent size. Can't see it because it's it's a good sized Goliath anyway. All ready for the stirmi.
So that water soaked through a bit.
Yeah, especially flooding it.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to bioactive, so I want it to go right down to the bottom and
Yeah.
let that soak down a bit first.
Fine. Okay.
She's going to be pissed off.
Yep.
She's going to be well pissed off.
Does she fit in that casket because she's quite big?
Yep.
She's like, what are you doing? Right, step one. He's wearing the gloves because he's worried about the desiccating hairs.
She's flicking hairs already.
It's smart thing to do because you don't want them on you. Make sure that the bottom is on properly. It's a good size compared to my hands there. No. Right, just hope she doesn't bolt out. Alright. She's on the lid. She comes off that, she's very free around.
This is why I'm loosening it around the sides first.
What you do is put her towards the
I'll rescue the lid later.
well, yeah, I mean, she's in now. Her enclosure.
That's it. She's moved.
Just
More
open
room.
that door so I just get a quick look. I want to get her. Try good for a thumbnail. Yeah. Right. Cool. Well, that went a lot smoothly than I was expecting. I was hoping for like bolting and
Blood and gore.
yeah, I was expecting her to drag you in there and eat you. Yeah.
There, locked in.
Awesome. Job done.
I'll rescue the lid later.
Yep.
Big question is now is what to put her in there.
Damn, I don't know, some cool heavy Weber, I'd say. Alright, salmon pink will be alright in there. There's LP. She's going to be on that lid for a while. Thank you for watching. If you want to consider smashing that like button and pressing the subscribe, it'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much.